Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I do not take my coffee lightly, but I love the convenience of my single serve coffee maker. So finding a K-cup that is yummy and strong and full of flavor is so important. I definitely recommend Dunkin Original Blend Medium Roast, especially if you do like a bolder kind of coffee. I think this sits perfectly in between. It's not too light, it's not super dark, but it has a really great body and a great strength to it. So it brews up so nice and simple, of course, as a K-cup, but you can even see when it comes out of the machine that it has a nice color to it, a nice richness. It smells delicious. If you drink it black, which I like to do sometimes, it has a really good flavor and almost a little bit of a bite to it that kind of lends itself toward the darker side of things. But then I like to put a splash of dairy-free milk in it personally. Whatever you put in it for creamer, it doesn't lose that strength and that flavor. It tones it down a little bit, but it doesn't taste like a super weak cup of single serve coffee. This has really good body and strength and flavor. So I highly recommend Dunkin Original Blend Medium Roast. If medium roast is your favorite, I think you're really gonna love this and be really impressed with it, but that's just my point of view.